Hello. Welcome to Pablo the Monkey. This will not have an intro. For the video.
I'm tired of riding this stupid boat every single day. Well, Captain, you know you gotta ride the boat. It's our only day. And plus, if we don't ride this stupid boat, every single day it's gonna go wrong. Yeah, Captain, you don't gotta be so ragged. And I get tired of just doing this every single day. Well, let's just get started with the story. Once upon a time, there was 4 pirates. One was named Teresa. This was Leo. This was Fred. And this was Captain Barge. But there was one monkey who would always get into mischief. Pablo, the monkey. Hey, Teresa. What, Leo? Do you want to take a break? Oh, yeah. I would love to take a very good break. Well, let's ask Captain Barge. He might let us. Hey, Captain Barge. What did you stupid things want? Can we take a break? All 3 of us? Sure. I'm there. Yeah, this is good. This is the life. Wait a second. What? There's no bananas. Oh no. Wait, where's the bananas? Who's making that noise down there? Who's there on my ship? Well, I should have known a stupid monkey was gonna come on my ship. Come here, you stupid monkey. Come back here. Come back here or you're dead. No, come back here. Guess I'm gonna have to launch myself. Arch! Where's that monkey at? Monkey, I know you're in here somewhere. Where are you? Wait. Whoa! You made me step on a banana peel. Come here! Oh man, that was a great time. Wait, Sarge? Wait. Captain? Freak happened to Captain! Well, hey, it wasn't our fault. Don't even try it. This is a mess. Come here, monkey. Wait, what are you doing? Wait. Oh, you made me fall again. Hey, don't do that, monkey. Or I promise you, you will die. Womp womp. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Wait, you can talk? Bye-bye. Captain, wait, how did you get so small? This doesn't even make any sense. What happened? Pablo the monkey! Well, now that he's gone, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's my home, and I don't want to be in this jungle no more. You know what? I'm going to leave, and I'm going to find a home. And when I find a home, it's gonna be great. So right now, let's find a home. I'm so tired of people saying, monkey! No, that time is over. Right now, I'm finding a home. Yeah, that guy can do it. monkey. Who are you, son? It's me, B10. I'm Pablo, the monkey. Welp, I'm Sanford, the tiger. Well, son, since you are just here and you are new, let's go and we can get you a home. Are you whoa? I guess my controls just went out like that. Do you want a home? Yes, I really do. I was thinking of finding somebody. Well, we have a great thing for you. Come on.